Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Java identifiers. So in this session we're going to learn what is identifier and why we need identifier and what are the rules of Java identifier and what are the valid identifiers and what are the invalid identifiers. So these all concepts we will going to learn in this session. So now, so what is an identifier? So identifier is a word and it is used to identify variable, methods, classes, interfaces. So identifier basically, so we use to denote the method or any variable or any class or any interfaces. So if you see here class name, first program, this is an identifier and this method also identifier, and here out, println, these and all identifiers. So in simple word we can say, so what is an identifier means identifier equals to identity plus name. So this is called as an identifier. So why do we need identifier? Let us take an example of classroom. So we are having one classroom. So in the classroom we are having students, but the students don't have any name. So in this situation it is very difficult to identify the students, so that's why we need one identity, right? So like that in Java also, so we need uh, identifier to denote variables, to denote methods, and to denote classes. For example, here if you see variable name need names, age, salary, and method need names. Example here, calculate total marks. So this is the method. So this also we can call as a identifier. So class needs name, so student here. So that's why we need identifier to identify anything. So what are the rules of Java identifier? So we are having certain rules to identify the identifier, because if you write randomly it will not accept. So what are those rules we will see here? So first rule is it can be formed by using alphabet, digits. Alphabet means 0 to A to capital Z and small a to small z. Digits means 0 to 9. And here very important thing here is it will allow underscore symbol and dollar symbol only. So here only these two special characters only it will allow. Okay, and next point is next rule is it must begins with alphabet or underscore or dollar symbol. So it should not start with 0 or any numeric number, and the length of the identifier is not limited, so we can give any n number of characters in the identifier. It should not contain special symbol other than underscore and dollar symbol. Okay, so if you add any special characteristics, any special symbols, it will not allow, it will throw an error. And the fifth point is it should not contain white spaces, characters, spacebar, tab, enter keys. That means spaces it will not allow. So next we will see valid and invalid identifiers. Yeah, so if you see this one, first one, demo, small letter. So this is valid. Here it starts with the capital letter and ends with the small letter. This is also valid, and this is totally capital. This is also valid. And demo 2. So this is also valid. It starts with the capital letter and ends with numeric. So this is also valid. And here version dollar symbol 2. So this is also valid because special character only dollar symbol and underscore is allowed. So here we have written dollar symbol, so this is valid only. And the next one is version underscore 2. So here we are using underscore, this is also valid. And this is very important, you may get confused, but remember, so it starts with underscore and number and underscore ends with so in between the underscore numeric is present, so this kind of naming convention also valid because it starts with underscore. So what we have learned previous point, so it can also be starts with underscore, right? So it starts with underscore, so this is valid. And underscore dollar symbol numeric. So here alphabets is not present, only special characteristics and numeric is present. So this is also valid. The other one is dollar symbol underscore 2, so this is also valid. So what is not valid? So version hash 2, so we already say learn, right? Only dollar symbol and underscore symbol only allows. So other than dollar and underscore symbol, if you write any of the special characteristics or any of the special symbol, then it will not allow, so it will give error. And it should not starts with number. Okay, so you can see that it starts with number, so it is invalid. And here version hyphen 2, so hyphen is also special symbol, right? So this is also not allowed. And 5 underscore dollar, so this is also not right, because so we have to start identifier with underscore or dollar symbol, so we should not start with a numeric, right? So yeah, this is our valid and invalid identifiers. Yeah, now in real time we can see like this. Yeah, this add method is an identifier. Yeah, this class name also we can call as identifier, and this method mul, this is also called as an identifier. And here int age, so this age variable name, this we can call as identifier. So these and all identifiers. Yeah, thank you friends, this is about the identifiers. Thanks for watching. Thank you.